Welding aluminum alloys is done in mode 1. Use a welding wire of the same type as the metal being welded. Clean and degrease the area being welded. Warm the end of the welding wire thoroughly and lower it into the flux. Warm the edge details thoroughly before fusing the joints. Bring the welding wire to the joint and make it melting simultaneously with the joint. Direct the plasma jet along the joint. Follow with flux. Hold the welding wire lower and at an angle towards the joint. Change the rate of welding depending on how quickly the joint is fused. At the end of welding, thoroughly remove the remaining flux.